How to add a Google map on your Google Sites website. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add a Google map on your Google Sites website. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your Google site. So you can head over to sites.google and then go to the website that you're working on. This is a free template available on the Google site itself, and I'll show you how you can add a map right here. So after you're here, you can then simply, go to the place where you want to add the map. Then here on this side, you'll see insert. Simply scroll down. There you'll find the maps option. Tap on map, and after you tap on map, you can then search for a location. So let me just search for a location. And after you find the location of where you want to, show the location of, let me zoom in here. So, okay, this is a really random location I'm just using for the video. So let me drop a place here and let me drop it right here and then tap on select. After you do that, the map will be added like this. Now you can zoom in, zoom out. It's completely up to you. And that's basically how you can add a map on your Google Sites. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Care.